Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top best reviews for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first week is called Timestamp, and it compared with iOS 13.0 to 14.5, dynamically cycle between time and date in the status bar. This is called Day In, and experience notifications like never before. So it's out of the way the stock iOS notification banner looks. Say hello Day In, provides a completely new and modern look notification banner experience while adding many features in the process. It's highly customizable, so you can get the exact look that you want. This is called Jailbreak Reborn, version 1.1, has custom icon support and more. Changelog in should be down here. Oh, from the bottom, changelog right here. You see the beautifully simple launch screen application launcher for iOS 14, inspired by the original Jailbreak for iOS 7 and Jailbreak Unified for iOS 9. This is called Flip Convert, port flip switch toggles with CC support. This is called Flip Controller Control Center, customizable switches in the control center. This is called Checkra1n pre-iOS 7.1 style shutdown menu for iOS 11 and 12. This is called Allo Made Me Do This, supports iOS 13 and 14.5, adds the ability to theme the knobs in lock screen and control center music players. This is called Starfish Beta version 0.9. The long-awaited redesign is finally here. So it redesigns the home screen with the beautiful new layout. Every detailed design has been meticulously refined as it interacts with your wallpaper to the gestures found throughout. This is called Battery Home Bar, shows the battery level on the home bar, iPhone X, XX, and XR. This is called Botsy 4, fully customize your icon layout. You easily control the icon layout with a quick swipe up from the home screen. You can drag the layout bots around to adjust the layout of the icons. This is called Momoji. You can display the Momoji's music player by performing the selected action. Requires at least iOS 13.0 up. This is called Velox Reloaded 2, version 2.1.0. Update brings lots of bug fixes, variant of the original Velox Reloaded weather widget, and major improvements. So bringing back the heat, it lets you take advantage of your iOS home screen like never before, so you can actually customize your widgets. This is called IG Saver, so Instagram Media Saver. This is called Signaled BM, replaces the signal bars with dBm levels, supports iOS 13 and 14. So replaces cell or Wi-Fi signal bars with dBm levels in the status bar, so you can tell you basically, I guess, like how strong your connection is, or how strong, like you're connected, I guess, to the website or whatever you're on. This is called Admin Plus, update with bug fixes and features. So what this week does is customization of your animations, stiffness, dampen roll apps, springboard animation customization, allows you to completely disable them. You open and close your app animations, screen wake and off speed, folder animation speed, cover sheet unlock, and menu and animation customization options. So in other words, this week can speed up your animations, making the device seem a lot faster. This is called Top Phone, customize the colors of the phone application, and many more. This is called Floaty Tab, makes your tab bar floaty. This is called Noctis Neo, version 1.2.9, sensual appearance mode for companion for iOS 13. So basically just dark mode for iOS 13. This week is called CC Power. This is called CC Patch, supports iOS 8 to 14, small patch to comm center to remove sign checks. A lot of things such as carrier crack, just making small modifications to yourself, bypassing restrictions. This is called EQE version 2.2.2-1. The system-wide parametric equalizer supports iOS 7 to 14. Checkra1n is recommended. This is called No Pass After Respring. Disable passcode after respring. This is called Android Bar. Brings a feature-packed version of the Android navigation bar to iOS. You have features for the home button, optional media controls to skip to the next track or go back to the previous one, disable system swipe gestures, long press on the bar to collapse into a small window. Supports iOS 13 and 14. This is called IP folders titles, current IP address as a folder title. This is called Twinkle Patcher, supports iOS 9 to 14. Twinkle App Web View Extension. This is called Icon Anus, supports iOS 12 to 14. You can preserve custom icon layouts by springboard crash or reboots, etc. This is called Grady, brings YouTube Music, Google Music Player to iOS. This tweak is called Arizona. Lets you change the alignment of the stock lock screen clock to fit its position. This is called Midnight Commander. And Midnight Commander, a powerful file manager. Next tweak is called Share Me, and generate conversation reports from your iDevice standard messages app. Generate, view, and share reports with anyone with a single click. This is called Insta Search 2. Skips Explore view on Instagram. This is called Shuffle. And to preference app tweak that organizes your settings into easy to navigate sections. This is called Meredith. Tint system-wide colors for your device. So you can see, change the tint system-wide colors. This is called No Notch. Hides the notch on the iPhone X. This is called Spot White. Makes the spotlight background white. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.